So the FID released a statement saying that information that was being passed around during or before the election that Andrew Holness was being arrested is false. And I would love the persons who are sending out this false information to be caught. Because, again, I understand you having a political affiliation. I don't understand you going to this extreme, but I want to see who these individuals are, because clearly you're not well in the upstairs. Because if you're accusing someone of being corrupted and acting immorally, don't you think you fabricating information is also you doing the same thing? It makes sense to you? Like, if it makes sense to you, it makes sense to you. But I would love... Matter of fact, you in the comment section, you watching this video right now, yes, you. Does it make sense to you? If you agree, explain why do you agree and why would you take this approach. But hey, again, these are just my thoughts. Ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. Follow me on YouTube. I am on IG. I am on Facebook. I am on TikTok. KTarts876. On Facebook, I'm at KTarts Jam. Alright? Thank you.